Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm bringing you something a little bit different. Pasta dish with a Jamaican twist. For this dish we will be using ground turkey instead of beef to make it a little bit healthier. Ground turkey is a great substitute for ground beef because it's lower in saturated fat, which is better for your heart. Plus it's packed with protein. High protein meals will keep you fuller for longer, so you don't get those cravings in between meals. So it's a great way to maintain your weight. Now, as you can see, I will be adding some multicolor bell peppers and some natural seasoning, including garlic, onions, and green onions. I am using olive oil for this dish, but you can also use coconut oil. I like to add the garlic to the hot oil to flavor the oil before I add the meat, and then I will add my complete seasoning, my garlic salt, and some black pepper. Once the meat is partially cooked, I will add the onions and the scallions, and then I will add the tomatoes. Make sure your seasoning is evenly distributed so the meat can soak up all the flavor. Now I'll add my multicolor bell peppers and toss. Now after you add the vegetables, you're going to cover the pot and let the meat continue to cook. This is a quick and easy dish if you're short on time. Trust me. Now we're going to add some tomato sauce, and this tomato sauce has no added salt in it. Now the reason I chose the tomato sauce that has no salt added to it is because I want to control how much salt is in the dish. So if you have high blood pressure, this is a good option for you. Now once I add the tomato sauce, I will do a taste test and then add some more seasoning to my liking. I was going to add some mushroom to the dish, but nobody else wanted it, so I left it out. But you can add as much vegetables as you please. It will make the dish even healthier. I am using some regular pasta, but a better option is some whole wheat pasta, which I didn't have on hand, so I used what I had. Now when you're cooking your pasta, don't cook it too soft, because remember when you add it to the sauce, it's gonna continue to cook and you don't want it to be too mushy. I don't like mushy pasta. So here is my Jamaican style pasta. I hope you will try it and enjoy it. And as usual, here is a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica. This is a glass bottom boat ride in Negril, Jamaica. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.